love, I'm Bhargavi. Welcome to my channel. Are you new here or this is the first time you're watching my video? If yes, you may consider to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you can watch my videos on every Tuesdays and Sunday. Today I'm going to share with you guys how I achieved this Define Cut Crease Silver Smoky eye makeup easily. If you guys are ready, let's straight jump into the tutorial. Off camera, I have done my eyebrows. The product I use is from Benefit, precisely my brows pencil in shade 5. Next, I'm going to clean up the borders with Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Concealer in shade Warm Beige, code 145. I'm also bringing down the same concealer as my eyeshadow base. I feel so comfortable working with this concealer. This is my current favorite concealer. Once done applying the concealer, I'm going to set the concealer with some powder before it starts creasing. Not too much of powder, just a little bit. To get the sharp edges before we start the eye makeup, I'm going to place the sticky tape at the corner of my eyes. Then I'm taking a black gel eyeliner. This is from MAC Cosmetic called Black Track, code 819. You can even use any gel eyeliner which you have in your hand. To start off, first I'm drawing a small eyeliner above my natural lash band. Then I'm dragging the eyeliner at the outer corner, just like how we do to create wing eyeliner. Then I slowly bringing the same eyeliner above my crease and make a mark right above my natural crease line. I slowly continue to drag the black gel eyeliner until 2/3 of my crease line. This eye makeup is wearable for dinner or any parties. Just save this eye makeup for any special occasion. So just continue to practice. You can achieve this look. Next, I'm taking this metallic silver shade from Physician Formula Shimmer Strip Palette. This palette has beautiful pearl, white, grey, silver and shimmer black shade, which is perfect to create a smoky eye look, which what we are doing right now. And the packaging is pretty cute. 6 different shades in this little boxy palette. Following, taking white shade with another clean flat brush and press on the remaining lid space. We have done partially our eye makeup. Let me complete the base makeup off camera before I come back to you. So I have done with the base makeup. Let's complete the eye makeup. Again, I'm going back to the same black gel eyeliner and gonna apply under my lower lashes, connecting to the wing eyeliner. To tighten up my upper and lower waterline, I'm taking Infallible Black Gel Crayon from L'Oreal Paris. You can even use the same black gel eyeliner. It's depending on your preference. I prefer to use this crayon pencil. Again, I'm going back to the same palette and taking white shimmer shade and gonna press into my inner corner using the applicator which comes with the palette. Finally, I'm gonna curl my natural lashes and apply a coat of mascara. You can also finish it with a falsie, it depending on you, because yeah, it's your preference, but I'm not going to finish with any falsies. So guys, this is the completed look. I hope you all enjoyed this week tutorial. If you do, please don't forget to give me thumbs up, share my video, comment below, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Thank you for your support. Continue watching my videos. I will be posting videos on every Tuesdays and Sundays.